To get rid of your dark knuckles forever, granulated sugar, vitamin E oil and olive oil is going to help you a whole lot. So now I'm going to show you how to prepare this simple home remedy to get rid of your dark knuckles now. Let me quickly tell you what you will be needing to prepare this home remedy. So all you need is this is granulated sugar and a clean container which you're going to turn your scrub into, and also a teaspoon. This is what you will use to mix the two things together, and a pin also, so you can use and burst your vitamin E oil. I'm going to burst the vitamin E oil into the sugar right now. When you're busting it, you have to be very careful. You bust it. Okay, you can use as many vitamin E as you like. You can use like maybe 3 or probably 2. It depends on the quantity of sugar that you're going to use to prepare your scrub. Okay, so and you'll be needing is olive oil. Any kind of olive oil you want to use, even if it's virgin oil. So you have to fill in the spoon with olive oil, then you pour in your olive oil into the sugar and mix them together. Mix them together. Make sure it is well mixed, so your strip okay, here we go. Now this scrub is ready. You can use it now, or probably you turn it into a little container so you can apply it on your knuckle. You apply this morning and evening. So you turn it into an empty container. You store it into inside an empty container. So then I'm going to use the remaining one here. I'm going to apply it on my knuckle where I have the dark pigment. I'm going to apply that here. See, then you scrub it. You give it a deep scrub. Do this twice in a day for best results. So when you're done applying this, you can wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you rinse it off and apply an exfoliating cream. So that's all for today. So in our next video, we are going to be talking about how to get rid of wrinkled skin and how to restore blemish skin. So thank you very much for watching.